Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Okay, ake sikhulumeni indaba yemisebenzi. Bakhona abantu ababili abathathu ababenenhlanhla abangena ey'nkampanini mhlampe ey'mbonini ey'thizeni koGoli nakwezinye iy'ndawo nala koDurban. Angikhulumi ngabantu-ke mhlampe abangene ngeshova nani nani, sengikhuluma ngabantu ekuthe uma kukhushwa abantu abanganama-documents then base beyafakwa. Sure. Njengoba ngishilo nasekuqaleni si-happy for labo bantu labo. And futhi kusho ukuthi kuyasho ukuthi either baqualifyile for ungena kulezo ndawo noma inkampani izoba-trainer ukuze bakwazi uba skilled. Masikhulumeni ngento eyenzakalayo manje. Why is it that a lot of people have been removed from these jobs and spaces are there, but the level of unemployment has gone up? The stats is saying so. Why is it like that? That is why ngizofaka umalema la ngithi umalema sometimes ezinye izinto ayikhulumile asizizwa kahle ngoba phela asijwayele asi-understand ukuthi kuthiwani. Kuyimama nje some of it is making sense nakuthina ngoba phela isikhathi esiningi kuhlele kuyagqutha nje emakhanda wethu thina ngempela. And futhi angisho ukuthi omalema bayakwazi ukubeka izinto right for us to understand properly. Abakwazi ama-politicians wethu mayiwonke. But I think yena is the closest. Now, why is it imisebenzi in South Africa, instead of going up, is going down? Unemployment. Inkinga is the foundation. These people have been the foundation, doing the jobs we don't want to do most of the time. Like we have already given you isibonelo ngomoba. Ukuthi shukuthi njengoba amampondo amaningi shuthi bebengasekho laphayana. Sizwa imost yalo mama Lawiyane nobani bebeshaya umoba. Ushaya kwakho umoba, ukushaya kwabo umoba creates jobs up. A whole lot of jobs. Onke leya processing from the delivery, from the picking up of this sugar cane into delivering it, into receiver la receiver khona, to also processor, from the processing to the packaging, from the packaging to another delivery again, from there to a merchandiser, the merchandiser. They were the foundation. Again, machinist as well. They are very good machine we cannot dispute it. I think abantu engibazi right machine, especially, and they are males, most of them are from Malawi and Ghana. I don't know about the other. And Cape Town yonke nje bithwele labo bantu labi most of the time. So those people were creating jobs for us. We have a very few number of abantu abamnyama bethu thina machinist, and into besiyenza thina besimufundile umshini. You want to have your own thing. Durban part of it, Osfiso nobani bani baningi lapha ko-West Street no-Smith Street. Umuntu evule into yakhe ayithungele into zakhe. You understand what I'm saying? Nobody's thinking of opening this imboni of some sort and blah blah. So those people, as they produce these things, the South African people who are not skilled in machine, they get a job to pick emakotini nani nani. They get a job to ukufaka ama-button, afuna ukufaka ama-button khona, to cut this, to separate this, to do that. That is the jobs that the machinists were creating for us. And then from there, again, we are going to talk about the packaging. We are going to talk about delivery. We are going to talk about, ukuthi yongena a factory shop or whatever, life and corner. All that stuff. They were the foundation. This is the one thing that the white people were not telling you. Tina, we were just looking at it was about cheap labor. They are crying for these people. It was cheap labor. No, they were the foundation of creating jobs for us. Thina sithatha ngoba sithatha la okulula khona. bona laphaya thina sisuse isisekelo semisebenzi yethu. So manje we have to learn to be isisekelo, and uba isisekelo as a machinist is not something that you can just do in 2 days. So ubhuti lo nje beshilo wathi they went to the government bacela ukuthi siyacela nisponsorishe abantu nibabhadale for 6 months while we are training them, then we absorb them for jobs. Asisho ukuthi ama-South Africans asifuna waqasha. Government wenu unayo imali yokufaka emaphaketheni la emaphepheni abrown, kodwa akanayo le yokuthi anisize ngama-skills. So this is a scenario you can look at in everything, whether we are talking about the fruits, the picking up of the fruits, then from that the delivery, then to grapes, and then the processing and whatnot, which we are part of those things. Hambani eCape Town niyo pick up akaphela, yebo. Hambani niye-Mobeni niyokwenza lezi zinto, you know, push the trolleys and sell these veggies. Sihleli lana nje manje kunzani nje kuphuma eminyango. You understand what I'm saying? So we have to understand. Njengoba nako-66 sesibonile ukuthi basifunani, basifuna amaphepha ilento. Ungakudala nje uzobona uyothatha uyopick up ama-fruits nani bazosifuna i-CV basifune yonke into ngoba yini? We are documented angels. So documented angels have to, you know, step up. Hi guys, angihleki, but I feel like we fail a lot in understanding a system and understanding who we are saying we are proudly people. You know, you have to understand when you're standing there. Blah 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 blah. Guys, kuningi and kuningi, yeah. You know.
What this lady right here is saying makes a lot of sense. Like, trust me when I say this, she's making a lot of sense because, wow. She is basically saying that we got rid of the job-making machines, which means we actually got rid of people that were creating jobs for us. Guys, we can say whatever that we want to say, but that's the truth. That's the truth. You see those hard labor jobs of cutting sugar canes, those hard labor, jobs mostly were done by foreigners. And now we're down here doing the easiest things, which we can all agree. We can all come together and agree that they did made our lives easier. But now, since you have chased them away, there is no one who can create jobs for us. No one is going to create job for us. Yes, we hear people saying, yo, thanks to March and March is creating jobs. People are being employed. Guys, people have been getting employed every day. It's a normal thing. It did not start now. I don't know if you're just not aware or what is happening. People are getting employed every day. It's not about March and March. It is not. In fact, if there is one thing that March and March did is to actually increase the unemployment rate in South Africa, because so many people have lost their jobs. So many of them have lost their jobs because of this March and March. It did not create any job. It actually caused a lot of problems in South Africa. Because right now, I actually saw a woman who owns the company of sugar canes, and she was basically saying that no one is there to work. There is no one there to work, and people were saying, no, charge the normal rate and wara. Like, guys, we still have a long way to go, guys. We still have a long way to go, but we shall all learn. We are still yet to learn the hard way, Shem. I'm telling you the truth.